So we've really recently started using the specially built tactics within Emarsys for mentioning, and we've rolled out automation campaigns in our email marketing. These tactics actually use that referral data to enhance the CRM performance and deliver the right message to the right customer at exactly the right time. So the ones that are live and that we've rolled out are the referee coupon reminder, the refer coupon reminder, and reminder to share again. And what these tactics promise to do is to increase customer acquisition, which is reminding those who have referred to use their coupon. Increase customer engagement by reminding customers who've shared successfully to keep on sharing, and to drive the repeat purchase rate up, which is reminding those who have referred to come back and use their rewards. All this, of course, drives up your conversion rate and your revenue, as well as improving customer advocacy through relevant personalization and automation.